y'all, Joe here at Southern Coastal Cooking. Coming at you today with a little recipe, kind of a spin off one of the barbecue boxes I got in the mail here. Let me show you. What they sent me this month was a wild game recipe. It's basically for stuffed backstrap venison. Down here we got our southern white-tailed deer, and it's a real delicacy. We make them like this a lot. But I'm going to do a spin off this recipe, y'all, because I've got something really, really special. My sister, she lives up in Anchorage, Alaska, and her husband were able to, blessed enough to harvest a moose last month, okay? And they sent me some of that moose backstrap, so I'd really like to do that. But I don't want necessarily stuff with cream cheese and everything else. I don't really want to take away from it that much. So we've got this Game Changer brine here from Oak Ridge Barbecues. It's for wild game. We're going to use that. Also have their wild game rub, Oak Ridge Barbecues. I think that'll be great. Oh, they sent us some buffalo jerky. Really cool. Of course, some wood chips, stuff like that. So I'll get to the venison. You know, we have enough here to do several recipes and stuff, but I really want to cook this moose meat while I've got it here, and we'll try that. I think that'll be awesome, y'all. Cool that Barbecue Bot sends the equipment to do it. So let's get over here. I'm going to show you. I made up a little bit of brine, just about a quart of it, and we'll marinate or brine that moose backstrap. So here's the moose meat right here. As you can see, the backstrap, they killed it on 12/4/17. And we're going to put it down here, made up this little bit of brine. So I'll take it off, we'll put it in there. Actually, what I decided to do, I'm going to put it in one of my vacuum sealer bags. I think that'll work a little bit better for the brine. Make sure it gets adhered to everything. Oop, and seal it up in there with the brine. If need be, I can use the marinate function on that Vac Master. Okay, so we'll seal this up, put it off in the refrigerator for about 4 hours, and we should be good. All right, y'all, we have had the moose has been brining for about 4 hours in our Oak Ridge Barbecue, the wild game brine. And now what we've got is we've got the venison wild game rub. We're about to, I dry this off, I put some of this in the shaker. We're just about to apply some to the moose here. I don't want to put too much seasoning, honestly, because I don't want to take care, you know, I want to taste the wonderful flavor of the moose here. So we'll put a little bit on there, just like that. Go to the other side. And look at that, there we go. Just like that, just, you know, gets a little flavor on there. And I'll tell you what's in this, the rub here and whatnot. It says, Hell's the best wild game rub on the planet. Our customers are venison and wild game rub is a savory, sweet balance of heat and totally unique flavor. Complex with a mysterious quality from the use of herbs like ginger, shallots, lemongrass, and other all natural ingredients. Good on deer, elk, red stag, caribou, antelope, and moose. Well, we're going to try it on moose, y'all. So, oh, here's how we're going to cook it. I'm on a Line 640, and we've got these great new product from same people who brought us the oyster bed. This is called the steak bed. These wonderful metal platters that you actually cook a steak on, and you can eat on that as well. I've got a steak bed out there heating up on the 640. So we're going to take this, deliver it out there as a steak bed in just a few minutes, and cook it right there on the plate where we're going to eat it. Which also, I've got the moose backstrap out here. I'll show you, I've got the steak bed set up right there. I'll move you over here so you can see a little bit better. Sorry about that. Zoom you in here because we're going to lay this bad boy right there on the steak bed. Got the Yoda rail on about 450. Okay. Let's just lay it down right there. Just let it cook right there on the steak bed. And we'll flip them in a few minutes, okay? And that's what I'm going to do. It's been a couple minutes. We'll go ahead and flip it. It don't take long. It's very lean meat here. Yes, sir. Right there. Look at that. That is nice. They go a couple minutes on that side. All right, y'all. It's almost done. I've got some black garlic compound butter that I made. And we're going to put that on here. Oh yeah, look at it. what I'm going to do first, I'm going to take the smaller slither. I'm going to put that, basically I want to get it underneath the steak. Underneath the tenderloin. Okay. Put that down just like that. Let that melt. And then I've got a little bit bigger piece. I'm going to put on top. Oh, I want that to fall off. And we're going to shut the door down here just for a second. Let this butter just want to run off, isn't it? Let this melt onto the backstrap. But y'all, it's been a couple minutes since I've taken the, since I put the butter on there. Registering about 125 degrees or something. I'm going to pull it and let it rest inside on this hot plate and kind of finish cooking here for a minute or so. Looks wonderful. All right, y'all, so let's try this wonderful moose meat here with the Oak Ridge barbecue seasonings and everything from the barbecue box. Now on the steak bed cooking apparatus here. Let's just cut into it. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful medium rare. That's gorgeous. And what's really cool about this too is, if you want to cook it a little bit more than just press your own bite right down there on the plate, it's still so hot. But let's give this a try. First time to try moose. Oh man. It's like, hard to explain. It's like beef, but a little bit. This is almost a little bit more tender. Maybe because of the brine, but you can taste a little bit of gaminess, not much, but I really like that. Very, very fine, y'all. Excellent protein here. You can't beat the steak bed here. We're just sitting here, oh man. You probably look out, cooking that little bite right there on the plate. That's cool, y'all. Definitely give this a try. Look up steak bed and check out barbecuebox.com. We got these seasons. Thank y'all so much. Robin and Ben, thank y'all so much for this moose. I'll put a picture of it at the end. Very blessed to have this. Thank y'all. Again, God bless y'all. I'll take care. Please like my channel, like my videos, sub my channel. Thanks again, y'all.